Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. We're just out here training with all our gear and kit. One of the things that you got to train with if you're shooting is, of course, your chest rig or your plate carrier or whatever that is. And I seen something on the Prepared Airman a few months back where he modified a Hill People gear chest rig. And this Hill People gear kit bag here I've had for a while. It's one of my favorite pieces of outdoor gear, and I said, you know what, that's a good idea. I'm going to see if I can't modify that for basically tactical use or sort of a low profile chest rig to carry a few mags and some medical stuff in. And I actually did that, and it was actually really simple. All I did is I ordered myself a placard off of Amazon with the hook and loop, the Velcro on the back, and it just sticks to this laser cut molle on here, and it holds 3 magazines, which is actually really nice. And it's still got enough room for just an inexpensive flashlight that I can keep in here as well. And when it's zipped up, you can't really tell that I got any mags in here, and you can tuck one end of the zipper in to give you just like a 1 zipper instant access. And then on the back, pretty much did the same thing with some medical. So I've got some hemostatic agents, some tape, some packing gauze, and an Israeli bandage. And then underneath on the bottom, I got one of the Blue Force Gear tourniquet holders that just slides through the bottom of the molle on the bottom of the pack, and it holds one of my Cat 7 tourniquets, and it's just easy on, easy off, works really well. I'd like to thank the Prepared Airman for giving me this idea for this particular chest kit right here. We're just out here running this stuff today and practicing, and we fumble and we screw around and stuff when we're out here practicing, but this is the place where you want to make mistakes, is out here, not if you ever have to do it for real. But anyways, this is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Appreciate Uncle Bumble on the other side of the camera there for me today. And I hope you guys got a little information, a little entertainment out of this video, and you guys have a good one.